So we're here in Bangkok, Thailand, and our friend Jared Risley, the chef and owner from Soul Food Mahanakorn, from Papaya, and from Tima, the 3 restaurants here in Bangkok. He sent us to this place here called Jae-So, right? That's how you say it? Jae-So? Jae-So. And we're having some Isan food, northern food from the region, northern eastern region, close to Laos. And they have these papaya salads, and they have so many kinds of different papaya salads. This one in particular has a little bit of everything, but it's not your run-of-the-mill papaya salad, sweet stuff that you'll find. It has things like crab shells and all the good stuff that you usually find inside of a crab shell. So all the mustard, like some people call it. So this one here that we have in front of us has papaya, of course, young papaya. It has dried chilies. It has fresh chilies. It has acacia seeds. Some crab. So you have the whole crab legs right here. Even a claw. There's even a claw. And these are basically all hacked up with some tomatoes and what looks like some eggplant right here. And at the bottom, you have obviously the traditional fish sauce, some lime juice, some sugar, and there is also fish paste. The fermented fish paste, which is different from fish sauce. So you know this has the most pungent tastes you've ever tasted in your entire life. So let's try some of this. You like it? Good stuff? The strong fermentation, the taste of the juice at the bottom. It tastes like if you haven't washed your feet for 2 days and have been running around Bangkok trying to eat. That's what it tastes like. But it does strike a balance with all the other ingredients, and it makes this so fragrant, so strong, so intense. The papaya is sour and has a very crunchy texture. The different chilies offer different tastes. The acacia seeds offer crunch, but it's also some sort of nutty freshness. Long beans are there for freshness as well. And then sour, salty, bitter, pungent, intense. It's a little bit crazy, this food. I really like it.
If you like this video, like and subscribe.